Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to enable dark mode on your iPhone. Dark mode is perfect for reducing eye strain, saving battery life, and just giving your phone a sleek, modern look. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as display and brightness. Now here you will see two options at the top, light and dark. So to enable dark mode, you just have to tap on the dark. And just like that, the dark mode is enabled on your iPhone. And with dark mode on, the background turns dark and the text switches to light, making it much more easier for your eyes, especially in low light environments. Plus, it's look pretty cool. And that's it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.